spearheaded by our Honorable Mayor Cesar J.C. Esty Jr., SDS Cherry S. Robles, CESO 5, ASDS Cello C. Tangan, CESO 6, SDO Kawayan City, matatag na serbisyo dahil una ka dito.
Now make way for the City of Ilagan. The City of Ilagan, known as the Center Ecotourism Adventure in Region 2, home of the world's largest wooden lounge chair or butaka, and the corn hub of the Philippines. To the predominantly agricultural economy of Isabela, this town adds the vigor of its trade, commercial, and cultural life. Their festival, Mangmangi, is an Ibanag term that signifies the esteemed Ilagueño corn farmers, recognized as the stalwarts and backbone of their Ilagueño thriving community. It encompasses the entire agricultural cycle, from land preparation, plowing, tilling, planting to nurturing, harvesting, drying, and delivering produce from farm to market. The Mangmangi Festival is a joyous occasion, a heartfelt thanksgiving to God for the abundant harvest and the city's achievements and accolades.